Google has introduced Jules, a groundbreaking AI tool set to transform software development. Jules is designed to help programmers of all levels, making coding faster and smarter. Unlike traditional tools, Jules works alongside humans, automating repetitive tasks and suggesting solutions. It doesn't replace programmers, it boosts their productivity and creativity. Jules operates asynchronously, handling tasks in the background so developers can focus on bigger challenges. This means more efficient workflows and fewer errors. The arrival of Jules marks a major shift in coding. By making advanced AI accessible, it opens new possibilities for innovation and collaboration in software development. With Jules, the future of coding is collaborative, efficient, and more creative than ever before. An asynchronous coding agent is like having a smart assistant that helps you code. Instead of working alone, you can delegate tasks to this AI, which handles them in the background while you focus on bigger challenges. The agent runs complex algorithms, finds solutions, and generates code without interrupting your workflow. You stay productive, switching between tasks as the AI works alongside you. When it's done, it shows you the results, code, solutions, and suggestions, so you can review and decide what to use. This makes coding more efficient and lets you focus on creative high-level work, while the AI handles the rest in the background. Jules can help developers in many ways. For example, it can generate code snippets based on your instructions. It can also identify and fix errors in your code, suggest improvements to your code, and even translate code from one programming language to another. This can save developers a lot of time and effort, allowing them to focus on more complex tasks. Jules is different from other coding tools in several ways. First, it is asynchronous, which means it can work in the background without interrupting your workflow. Second, Jules is designed to be more collaborative. It doesn't just generate code, it works with you to improve your code. Finally, Jules is still under development, which means it is constantly learning and improving. So, the introduction of Jules could, really mark a new era for developers. With the help of AI coding agents, developers could be more productive and efficient than ever before. They could actually focus on higher-level tasks, like designing software architecture and solving complex problems. This could honestly lead to the development of more sophisticated and innovative software applications. So, Jules has the potential to significantly impact the programming world. It could really make coding more accessible to beginners. By providing helpful suggestions and catching errors, Jules can make it easier for people to learn to code. And, this could lead to a more diverse and inclusive tech industry. Imagine you are building a website, and you need to create a form for users to submit their information. You can simply tell Jules, create a form with fields for name, email, and message. Jules will then generate the necessary code for you, saving you time and effort. This is just one example of how Jules can simplify coding tasks. The development of AI coding agents like Jules is still in its early stages. However, it is clear that AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we code. As AI continues to learn and improve, it is likely to become an even more powerful tool for developers. This could lead to faster development cycles, fewer bugs, and more innovative software applications. In the rapidly evolving landscape of software development, innovation is the key to staying ahead. Among the groundbreaking advancements, one name stands out: Jules. But why does Jules matter so much? What makes it a game-changer in the world of coding? Jules represents a significant step forward, a leap into the future of AI-assisted programming. It's not just another tool, it's a paradigm shift. We're talking about a fundamental change in how code is written, tested, and deployed. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's a breakthrough moment that promises to redefine the very nature of software creation. This advancement is particularly evident in the development of AI coding tools. Jules isn't just about automating simple tasks, it's about understanding complex problems and offering intelligent solutions. It's about augmenting human capabilities, not replacing them. Imagine having an AI partner that can anticipate your needs, suggest optimal code structures, and even debug your code in real time. That's the power of Jules. Its asynchronous nature allows for seamless integration into existing workflows. This means developers can continue using their preferred tools and environments while leveraging Jules's capabilities in the background. The asynchronous architecture ensures that Jules doesn't become a bottleneck, but rather a facilitator, enabling developers to work more efficiently and effectively. Furthermore, its collaborative nature fosters teamwork and knowledge sharing. Jules provides a shared programming environment where developers can collaborate in real time, regardless of their location. This promotes better communication, reduces errors, and accelerates the development process. It's about creating a more connected and collaborative coding experience. All of these features combine to make it a valuable asset for any development team. Jules empowers developers to write better code, faster, and with fewer errors. It's a productivity multiplier that can significantly impact the bottom line. By automating repetitive tasks and providing intelligent assistance, Jules frees up developers to focus on the more creative and strategic aspects of their work. And perhaps most importantly, it's a tool for developers of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or just starting out, Jules can help you improve your coding skills and become a more effective programmer. Its intuitive interface and helpful suggestions make it easy to learn and use, while its advanced features provide powerful capabilities for experienced developers. As Jules continues to evolve, learning from every interaction and adapting to the ever-changing landscape of software development, its potential becomes even more immense. The continuous learning process ensures that Jules remains at the forefront of AI coding technology, constantly improving its capabilities and providing even greater value to developers. It is likely to have a profound impact, a transformative effect, on the entire software industry. Jules is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for change, a disruptive innovation that is reshaping the way software is created. Its impact will be felt across all sectors, from startups to large enterprises, as developers embrace its power and unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. Ultimately, Jules is poised to redefine the future of software development. It represents a new era of AI-assisted programming, where humans and machines work together to create innovative and impactful software solutions. The future of coding is here, and it's powered by Jules. This is an exciting time to be a programmer, a time of unprecedented opportunity and innovation. The tools and technologies available to developers today are more powerful than ever before, and Jules is at the forefront of this revolution. Because AI is opening up new possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in software development, we are witnessing the dawn of a new age, where AI is not just a tool, but a partner, helping us to create software that is more intelligent, more efficient, and more impactful than ever before, and making the coding process more streamlined, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Jules is designed to simplify the coding process, removing the friction and allowing developers to focus on the creative aspects of their work. Ultimately, Jules is making coding more efficient and accessible than ever before, empowering a new generation of developers to create the software of the future. It's about democratizing access to powerful tools and creating a more inclusive and diverse programming community. Jules is not just about writing code, it's about building a better future.